Hadin bekajingmi no deki hajar ngot kinong Krishan ke UDP na mau kerwat banlet penyeso ke NPP na kaliang presiden ke UDP ba Metbah ulong beki Paidbah kilong ki balat lut bat kila banlet penyeso bat kanu ke parti beki mon amdon bala bante yeki ulong tang ba uong pat bakumbalong hadu menta UMLA ke parti na mau kerwat constituency uba Ryngkang el Tongkhar udang don bet ha ke parti.
The supporters, definitely, it all depends. I don't know why, but they are free to move here and there from one party to another party, A to B to C to D. But elected members, they are not free to do that. They have been binded by the law, and they have to be, act and behave as per the law. So as of now, there's nothing as such that Barinik is, leaving the party. So you see, first of all, when it comes to how the party functions, we in UDP strongly believe that the people who are at the grassroots level are the most important people which you have to take into consideration before making any move or decision. So in this aspect also, I would like to say that we have already shared this, which the local party leaders at Makarwat also is aware of, to look into the matter and examine and come back to us in case of any support or any kind of help they needed as far as party organization in Makarwat. I keep on meeting him almost every now and then. I keep on meeting whenever.
So he made clear any?
Yeah, he made clear.
That he will be leaving?
Yeah, yes.
He made clear.
There's nothing as such that he's moving out from the party as of now. See, I will not say that other parties are poaching. That should not be encouraged at all, no doubt about it. But I believe it is up to the individual, the member of the house, who has to decide. So I leave it.